Welcome to day 31 of my 100 Days of Webflow journey. Yesterday was a huge milestone for us. We've hit the 1 month mark. We've also published the new website, which is levelflow.io. So if you haven't watched yesterday's episode, I go over how you can connect a custom domain to your Webflow site. Today we're going back to explore more Webflow apps, specifically Nocodelytics. So why we're gonna explore Nocodelytics? Nocodelytics is a very nice app to track performance, to track your user performance, to see where your visitors are coming from, what devices they're using, what pages they're visiting. So without further ado, let's jump to it. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned on this 100 Days of Webflow journey by turning on that notification bell so you can see the videos on time. And let's get to business. Okay, so let's get to this. So first things first, we're gonna find Nocodelytics on Webflow apps. So you go to Webflow apps, you go to marketing, automation, and analytics, you view all, and you're gonna find Nocodelytics right here. So Nocodelytics is a great tool to read your user behavior. So let's say I wanna read where my users come from, what device my users usually use, how long they stay on my page, and so on and so forth. So you can choose your metrics, you can build your own dashboard, so you can analyze your user behavior. Also, this tool is built with Webflow in mind. So if you go to their website, nocodelytics.com, you can see that they're super Webflow focused. So if you're working with Webflow, this is the perfect tool. It also works well if you have other stuff integrated on your Webflow, like JetBoost or other third-party tools installed on your Webflow website. Now you can read more about their plans, read more about the product. Now they have a free plan, which is amazing because if you're starting out and 1K monthly page views is something great for starters. So if you're starting out and you want to test the tool, you want to test your user behavior, you want to see how you're doing, they have a free plan for you. You can use all their features, which is amazing. I mean, thank you so much for offering this. And then if you get more than 1K views per month, then I think it's worth upgrading because you're probably doing so well. But now enough talking about this. Let's actually get to build it on our website. So we go to the app on the Webflow apps marketplace, we add to site. So this part is the usual part that we do. So we're gonna go to Levelflow 2023. It's the app, it's the website that we've been building for the past 2 days. So if you want, you can check those episodes. So you have your dashboard, so it might prompt you to sign up, and then you have your own dashboard, and then you go to the website I just linked it to, which is Levelflow 2023, and I click on Finish Setup. And once you click on your project, you're gonna find this script here. You copy it, and they also show you a GIF of how you can install it, which is very awesome actually. So you copy the code, you go on your website. Now what I have is the FinSuite plugin, so it just helps me add custom code to the main page without having to go to the page settings. So you just open your FinSuite plugins, go to Candies, go to custom code, and paste this in the head of your website, and then you click save. And that's it. Now it's connected. How easy was that? We publish, and now we can test that this is working. So we go back to our page and we click on test. So it's testing. It's testing. Perfect. I'm all set. You can set up tracking for Levelflow 2023. Take me to my dashboard. So now I have my dashboard here ready to be worked on. So if I, let's say, go on levelflow.io, now this is my page. I can go here and refresh and see that I have one visitor from Spain using Chrome from a desktop. So this is me. I just visited my own site. Another cool thing is that you have this right here. So if you go on apps, wait, let's refresh actually. So refresh because I just installed it. So you go on the apps panel and you're gonna find Nocodelytics right here. Click on launch and you're gonna see it right here. So this is how many viewers, this is how many visitors in the past 30 days. I don't even need to go to their website. Now, I'm not sure if this is customizable, so we can check it out actually. So you can build a dashboard, let's call it level flow, and you can add your own metrics, which is cool. So they have different metrics, so page views, collections, button or link clicks, and then we can see the ID. Like if you want to go specifically on a certain button, you can see the ID of the button, and that's what I want to do. Actually, let's test this out. So I have this button here. I want to give it the ID of subscribe, and then maybe let's try to see how this works. So we'll include the hashtag for the ID, or a dot for a class, so exactly like you do on your script codes. So we want to break it down. So the breakdown is fine. So we call this subscribe button, and then let's save this to dashboard. Now I want to test this actually, so let's test it out. Let's refresh here. First, actually, let's publish, because we just gave a class, we just gave an ID to our button. So let's publish. Let's go back to our site. Let's click on subscribe now. Now this is taking me to the Stripe checkout, and let's go back to Nocodelytics and see if this is yes. This is actually checking that someone clicked on the subscribe button. This is truly amazing. Thank you guys. I'm gonna explore more on this tool. You can feel free to go more and see what other metrics you can add. So like, for example, you just go to new metrics. You can see what other custom metrics, you can customize it to the way you want, forms, collections, whatever you have, and it's gonna help you keep track of your website. So that's how you install Nocodelytics. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope I taught you something today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned on this 100 days of Webflow journey, where we're going to explore more Webflow stuff, more Webflow tips, more Webflow tricks, more Webflow apps. So stay tuned, and I will see you tomorrow.